7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video we're talking about the king of the market, Bitcoin. Ranked number 1 on CoinMarketCap, one Bitcoin is going for $19,153. In the last 1 month, Bitcoin has gone as high as $31,000 and as low as $17,700. Bitcoin currently has a market cap of $365 million. What next for Bitcoin? How low would Bitcoin go? Is the dump over? If we see a relief rally, how high will the relief rally go? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. We'll be looking at the Bitcoin US dollar price chart, the Bitcoin market cap chart, and then we'll be looking at Bitcoin's valuation against Ethereum. We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Let's get down to business. Guys, at the point of recording this video, Bitcoin is going for $19,147. In the last 1 year, Bitcoin has gone as low as 41% from where it is right now. In the last 1 month, it's down 35%. In the last 1 week, Bitcoin is still down 10.4%. How low will Bitcoin go? And that's the million-dollar question. Nobody knows where the bottom of Bitcoin will come in right now. Bitcoin is holding support. This level where we are right now is a critical support for Bitcoin. This is the previous all-time high. Guys, if this critical level doesn't hold for Bitcoin, this $19,143 region, and that's around the previous all-time high of Bitcoin that came in 2017, then we might see Bitcoin drop to as low as 16,300 or maybe even lower. A lot of people are calling for Bitcoin to drop to 14,000. Some are calling for sub 10,000. I don't think Bitcoin will drop that low. You can see that in 2017, 2018, when Bitcoin was finding its top, and this was the region where Bitcoin had difficulty passing. And after Bitcoin started dumping from this place, it was just gobbling down from there. 2018, look at this region in time, guys. Bitcoin was actually just ranging around 16,000. The height of it got to around 20,000. Then it got to 16,000. But after Bitcoin broke this level, the next logical place Bitcoin went was that $11,000 region. So a lot of people are calling for Bitcoin to actually find this bottom at 11,000. That will probably be the bear market bottom. I don't think that will happen. I think that when people actually think the bottom is not near in, that's when the bottom is in. Is in hindsight, everybody will be like, oh, we wish the bottom was in. Because look at this situation in time, guys. When we got to this level here in July last year, a lot of people are expecting Bitcoin to go lower. There was no hope in the market. People are just expecting everything to crumble from there, because look at it, Bitcoin couldn't pass 40,000 that time. Bitcoin couldn't pass 40,000. We kept dumping. When Bitcoin got to 28,000, a lot of people lost hope, and then Bitcoin started pumping. So right now we're in that situation. That's what I think. We're in that situation where a lot of people, the sentiment in the market is extreme fear. People are very, very scared, and people are calling for way lower prices. So immediately Bitcoin just takes out this 17,700, the low we set right here on the 19th of June. I believe that immediately Bitcoin takes out that bottom, a lot of people start capitulating, and boom, 16,000 will start pumping. Remember, a disbelief rally will happen when people are not actually believing the pump. So peradventure, Bitcoin gets to 16,600. As I'm saying, I'm not predicting the future. I'm just assuming it does that, and Bitcoin gets to 16,600, Bitcoin start pumping. 20,000, people will not believe. 21,000, people will not believe. And when people start believing is when Bitcoin start getting to 27,000, people will now be like, oh my god, the bull run is back. And I now believe that Bitcoin will now find resistance probably around this $29,000 region. If we can pass $29,000 region, I don't think Bitcoin will be able to get to 40k. But I think maybe we're due for a pump, a little pump. Even if Bitcoin is going to dump further, maybe we should just get a little pump, because guys, look at where we've been having little pumps on the way. This pump was around the 41% pump, and this pump might be tiny, the one that happened after the Terra Luna situation, but it was still a pump regardless. This was an 18% pump. And right now, from the bottom of the market, Bitcoin has pumped how many percent? 20%. So actually nice to see, but we're expecting a relief to come in the Bitcoin dump. We'll look at the previous Bitcoin dump. How did the bottom of the market come in after Bitcoin dropped from its all-time high of $20,000? Bitcoin kept dumping. After Bitcoin was down 68%, then the real dump started. And when Bitcoin was down 81% from its all-time high, I'm sure a lot of people thought that was the bottom, because Bitcoin had a little pump there. And let me zoom in so that I can see the pump. Bitcoin had a little pump right here. I'm sure a lot of people thought, oh, the bottom is in, let's start buying. When Bitcoin went for one final dump, and this was the final dump, that was how many percent dump? That was a 26% dump after the pump. And that's why I'm saying that I still believe there's still one more dump for Bitcoin. If you look at the chart timing wise and so many indicators are showing us that we're close to the bottom. We are actually close to the bottom than we are to the top. And Bitcoin dumps from where it is right now. It just dumps another 25%. Where will Bitcoin carry us to? That will carry us to another Bitcoin trading for around $14,000. Is that possible? That's very, very possible. We saw the previous bear market, how it ended. It ended with Bitcoin dumping another 25%. But the 25% was from this pump. So if we calculate 25% from $21,000 that Bitcoin got to, a 25% dump will carry Bitcoin around that $16,000 region. I don't know why that 16,000 is just attractive. I feel that's the level where bulls will be giving up, and the people that actually see an opportunity in Bitcoin will buy, because at 32,000, Bitcoin is already up 100%. If you look at the Bitcoin market cap chart, another reason why I believe Bitcoin is actually going to go in lower, you can see that on the market valuation of Bitcoin, Bitcoin has not touched its previous all-time high, which is around 332 billion. Right now, Bitcoin has a market cap of 365 billion. And you can see that on the price chart, Bitcoin has gone below its 2018 all-time high. Let me take all of this off so that you can see it clearly. Put it on the weekly. And this is the Bitcoin price chart on the weekly time frame. You can see that on the weekly time frame, Bitcoin is at its 2018 all-time high on the Bitcoin dollar price chart. But if you go to the Bitcoin market cap chart, Bitcoin has not gotten to its 2018 all-time high. The 2018 all-time high is still some 10-20% from where Bitcoin is right now. From where Bitcoin is right now, for us to get to the 2018 all-time high, that's some 11% dump. And if Bitcoin is going to dump further, I can see Bitcoin dumping another 25%. 23% from its market cap valuation, and that will give Bitcoin a market cap of around $278 billion. And if Bitcoin has a market cap of that, Bitcoin's price will probably be going for around $16,000. That's why that $16,000 region just sounds so enticing to me. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Do you think that's where Bitcoin bottom is going to come in, around $16,000? Where do you think the bottom will come in? A lot of people have different prices for different reasons. Some people actually say they see Bitcoin getting to as low as 11,000, maybe 12,000. Some are even calling for sub 10,000. I saw somebody predicting wild as that Bitcoin might drop to as low as 3,000. Remember guys, these are all predictions. Anything is possible in the crypto market. Nobody's actually going to be right. We're just predicting what we think will happen in the future based on what we have seen in the past. The future will handle itself. Bitcoin against Ethereum is actually getting to new regions now. Bitcoin against Ethereum has been trending in this range since May 14, 2021. This was when Ethereum actually topped against Bitcoin. Since then, and Bitcoin Ethereum valuation has just been trending. We have just been in this up and down motion in this range, but it looks as if we're breaking out of that range right now, because it looks as if this place that has been acting as resistance looks as if it's acting as support. We might actually see Ethereum losing dominance. We might actually see Ethereum losing valuation against Bitcoin. The last time Ethereum lost so much value against Bitcoin was from March 2021. Ethereum started gaining on Bitcoin. You can see that Bitcoin lost 64% of its value against Ethereum in that period in time. Right now, Bitcoin is gaining valuation against Ethereum, and Bitcoin breaks out, and we can see Bitcoin gain maybe at least 50 or 60% of its value against Ethereum. That's what Bitcoin did in the previous bear market. The bear market is the time where Bitcoin will actually show its strength in the market, because we have new players entering the market, guys. They will have to first buy Bitcoin. They want to enter in safety. They want to be sure that, okay, I'm getting into an asset that I know that is not just going to go puff in the air. And let's see what happened to Bitcoin against Ethereum in the previous bear market. You can see that the top of the cryptocurrency market came in here in January 2018, and after that, Bitcoin started gaining value against Ethereum. Bitcoin gained how many percent against Ethereum? Let's see. Bitcoin gained more than 500% against Ethereum from the top of the market to when Ethereum found its bottom. And Ethereum found its bottom on September 2019. In that period in time, Bitcoin gained 537% of its value against Ethereum. Now, when we're going to the bull run, you want to be in Ethereum when the market's in easy mode, when the market looks as if it's going to start pumping again. Yes, you want to be in Ethereum. Ethereum outperformed Bitcoin, because in that period in time, from September 2019, Bitcoin actually lost more than 80% of its value against Ethereum. Right now, Bitcoin is gaining back its value against Ethereum, and that's showing us that we're in a bear market. And when we get to the bottom of the bear market, let's look at the previous bottom. What did Bitcoin do against Ethereum? You can see that the previous bottom right here on the market, Bitcoin lost value against Ethereum. That means Ethereum had a pump, and when the bottom of the market came in, Ethereum had a pump, and that pump that we will have, that's when the relief rally comes. The pump will have. Ethereum might probably outperform Bitcoin just for a little while. Then Bitcoin will continue its grind upwards against Ethereum. I see that playing again. And why did I look at the past to try to predict the future, guys? It's because human beings, we actually just repeat what we did in the past, thinking that we're doing something different. We just don't know that people ahead of us made the same mistake and they did the same thing, and us in the present will be repeating that, guys. Taking a look at the Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance is actually falling, which is a bad sign for all coins, because if Bitcoin dominance is falling and the altcoin market is actually falling, what will happen when Bitcoin dominance start increasing? It means all coins are going to dump further down. And you can see that Bitcoin has been stuck in this range. Bitcoin dominance has been stuck in this range since May 2021. Now, at some point in time, Bitcoin is going to break out of this range, and that's bad news for all coins, because all the time that Bitcoin has been stuck in this range, this has been the time that all coins have been having up only all the favorite tokens, all your favorite altcoins were going to the moon. I believe that the next time Bitcoin tries to break out of this range, that means the next time Bitcoin dominance is going to go above 49%, it will be chaos for the altcoin market. In the bear market, we're still going to see some pumps from altcoins, but guys, Bitcoin is the king. In the previous bear market, Bitcoin got to as high as having 73% of the total crypto market. I don't think Bitcoin will get that high this time. I'm actually placing my bets that Bitcoin will have more than 60% of dominance at some point in time in the bear market. Only time will tell if I'm right. I was just counting how many red months do we have before the bottom came in for Bitcoin. In 2018, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and now we have had 1, 2, 3, 4. So maybe we still have 2 more months of down before the bottom will come in. Only time will tell. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Where do you think the bottom of Bitcoin will come in? Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.
7.